take both left and right bank out, get them rebuilt straight from Miami, baby. No, so brand new client just bought this car. We're going through it. One bank doesn't work. We're going to do an engine out service. The car runs like crap. And what our process is going to be is get the car running properly first, and then we're going to drop the engine so there's no problems. Did we do the problem? Did we create it after we did the engine work? So, but we figured out the CIS system, which is this, what these are pretty much. It's a fuel distributor system, old school, back in the 80s and early 90s. This side is not, it's getting fuel from the fuel pump, but it's not distributing fuel into the injectors. So inside the CIS system is a problem. We're going to take both left and right bank out, get them rebuilt, and then that should solve that problem. Once that car runs perfectly fine, then we'll drop the motor and continue with our engine out service, timing belts, cam seals, check the clutch, make sure the clutch is good, because this customer wants his car to be running perfect when he picks it up, because this is a very rare color on this Testarossa. It's a great looking car. We're going to do some different exhausts because we're going to get rid of those exhaust tips. Paint those back to original black, get rid of that yellow. There's some things we're going to do to make this car back to stock. It's going to be great. I'm very excited about this project.